So phylum Porifera. Here pores means pori means what? Pores. Fera means what? Bearing. Pores bearing animals. Okay, members are commonly called as sponges. Okay, why they are called as sponges? The body cavity is called as what? Spongocoel. Body cavity of Porifera is called.
Sir, you cannot share the link, sir.
Oh, sorry. Where is? Okay. Now again, this is phylum Porifera, means pores, and fera means what? Bearing. Okay, so pores bearing animal. The whole body of the animal consists of what? Small pores. So they are called as porifera. The members are commonly called as sponges. Why they are called as sponges? Because their body cavity is called as what? Spongocoel cavity. Spongocoel cavity is also called as paragastric cavity. Spongocoel cavity is also called as what? Paragastric. TRIC. I haven't written. Paragastric cavity. Clear? That's why the name spongy. Spongy means soft body. Not soft body, means sponge like. Okay? Sponge like. Sponge, you know, I think you are washing your car and bike, whatever, something washing, na sponge. That is. Clear to here? Okay.
Yes.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
already I told you they are asymmetrical, but Sycon and Leucosolini are biradial symmetrical. That point I already told you. Huh? I will not discuss it again. They are what? Diploblastic, okay, and they are acoelomate. Clear? That and all also discovered.
Yes,
I already told.
sir.
Now next is what? All are marine except all are marine except Spongilla. Spongilla is what? Freshwater spongy. Okay. Spongilla is what? Freshwater spongy. Okay. Next, if we talk about the body wall consists of two layers. Okay. And one more thing I want to tell you, all are sedentary or sessile. No one is moving. Okay. All are sedentary or sessile. The meaning of these two words is same. Okay. What is the
Immovable.
yes, very good. Sedentary means a tree, a mango tree. If you will see, okay, that mango tree is movable or immovable? Immovable. So that is sessile or sedentary. Clear up to here?
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Yes, sir.
All are sessile. No one is free living. But their asexual form is free living. I will tell after that. Gemule, that is found in freshwater spongy only. Okay, that we will discuss afterward. Next, body wall consists of two layers. Body wall is consists of how many layers? Two layers. First is what? Pinacoderm, and second is what? Coinoderm. Okay, so this pinacoderm here, pinacoderm is what? It is the outer body layer, outer body wall layer. Coinoderm, CHO in, okay, coinoderm. This is what? Inner layer. Pinacoderm consists of two types of cells, pinacocytes and porocytes. Porocyte cells pinacocyte cells. Coenoderm consists of only one type of cell, that is called as what? Coenocyte cell. Clear up to here?
Yes, sir.
Super. Now we will see a diagrammatic view. And one more thing, between pinacoderm and coenoderm, what is found? I already told this thing.
Spongocele, sir.
Mesenchyme.
Mesenchyme.
Yeah, mesenchyme is
Without fiber.
yeah, without fiber. Mesoglea is what? With fiber. Parenchyma means is found in. Okay, leave it. Okay. I am making the body wall of spongy. Okay. So this is the body wall. Okay. Now this is what? Pinacoderm. And this inner is what? Coenoderm. Okay. And here this is what?
Mesenchyme.
Yes, mesenchyme. So in the pinacoderm, okay, here the some cells are found. These cells are called as what? Pinacocyte cell. But see, if here pore is there, na pore. This is pore. Here which cell is there? Porocyte cell is found. Okay, and these are what actually here these pores are called as ostia. We will study it afterward. Right now, porocyte only we will see. Now in the coenoderm, okay, here also some cells are there. Here also, oh, sorry, you should take light color. Here also some cells are there. All cells are having flagella. Okay, these cells are called as what? Flagellated cell. Sorry, also called as coenocyte. Coenocyte cells. So coenocyte cells are lined in what? Coenoderm. Understanding or not? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, you said parenchyma is present in one animal. Sir, you earlier said it, sir, but can you please repeat it again?
Plateal metals. Plateal metals.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so this coenocyte cell. Now inside here what will be present? Tell me here. Body cavity, spongocele. Clear or not? Here what is present? Spongocele.
Spongocele.
So if the question will be asked in the NEET, spongocele is lined by?
Coenoderm.
Is lined, very good. Lined by which cell?
Coenoderm.
Coenocyte cell. Yes, it is lined by coenocyte cell. Clear up to here?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now in this mesenchyme, now we will talk about this mesenchyme. In this mesenchyme, there are some cells are present which are looking like amoeba. Amoeba, you know na? You know or not? Amoeba, how it is looking?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Irregular, sir.
Yes. So these cells are looking like amoeba. Amoeba, you know or not? This is
We
amoeba.
know, no, sir.
Pseudopodia. You know pseudopodia? Okay, whatever, leave it. So
Yes, sir.
these cells
Sounds
are
like that.
looking, yeah,
Yes, sir.
yeah, correct. So these cells are what? Looking like what? Amoeba. Okay, so that's why it is called as what? Amoebocyte cell. So in mesenchyme, what is present? What cell is present? Amoebocyte cell is present. Clear or not? And
Yes, sir.
moreover, from this from this mesenchyme only, some pointed spicules are coming out. Okay, these are called as what? Spongin fiber or spicule.
Instead of bone, sir, it have a spicule, sir.
Yeah, spongin fiber or spicule. Spicule. Okay, so these spicules are pointed structure coming out like this. So this is what? This form the skeleton of spongy. Okay, and spongin fiber or spicule is made up of what? Mainly made up of silica. Clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, super. Fantastic. Can I scroll up?
Yes, sir.
Hmm. Okay. Hmm. Okay. Now by this diagram, once we will see the outline of this. Okay. So tell me, what is this one? What is this one?
Pinococyte cell.
Okay, this is what?
Kyanocyte cell.
Coenoderm. DERM.
When, okay,
Coenoderm. Pinacoderm, outer layer, coenoderm. What will be this?
Meso.
mesenchyma.
Yes, mesenchyme. Okay, what is this?
Uh, Spongocele.
Spongocele. Very nice, super. Okay. Ah. Now, one thing here, some cells will be there.
Coenocyte cell.
Yes, these are what? Coenocyte cell. And what is this one?
Flagella.
Flagella of coenocyte cell. Clear? Okay. Now, see here, which cells are present?
Amoebocyte cell.
Very good. This is which cell? Amoebocyte cell. Plus some more things are present.
Spongin fiber or
Yes,
spicule.
these are what? Spicular spongin fibers are present. These are what? Spicules.
Spongin fiber.
Yeah. Spongin fiber, spicule, both are same. Clear? So this is just a general outline I have made of spongy. Okay. And now one more thing I want to tell you here is, Can you able to see this one? Okay, and I think you're not able to see or tell me.
We can see, sir.
Okay. So here these are called as what? See, this is here the water. Water will enter inside the spongosil.
Ostia, you said
Yeah,
earlier, sir.
yeah. These are called as what?
Ostia.
Ostia are many or one only? Tell me.
Many, sir, because you said it is like sponge, no, sir. So it will
Many.
be many only.
Yes. So water is entering inside through what? Ostia. Into what? Spongosil.
Spongosil.
Now, after moving into spongosil, okay, the water will comes out from one opening. This opening is called as what? Osculum. Here, this is I am clearing. Osculum. 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 So osculum is many or single only?
Single.
Single only. Ostia are what? Many. Osculum is what?
Single.
Single. So ostia act as what? Inlet to water or outlet to water?
Inlet to water.
Yes. Very good. Inlet to water. And only single opening is there. Osculum. That is act as what?
Outlet of water.
Yeah, outlet to water. Clear to here?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Only this much you have to remember. I am giving guarantee no question will come out of this. 100%.
Sir, can you please scroll the screen so we'll take the screenshot?
When you are not speaking, mute your mic. Here sound is coming.
Sir, can you please scroll little more? Thank you, sir. Completed, sir.
Completed, okay. Now, okay, so that ostia osculum I told, spongosil I told, this coinocyte site cell is what? Exclusive characteristic of sponges. Means found only in sponges. Okay. What happened? It is also called as coinocyte cell is also called as what? Collar cell. Or it is also called as what? Flagellated cell. Why it is called as flagellated cell? Because it is having the flagella.
Flagella.
Yes. Okay. So one thing, just a rough diagram I am making here. This is the structure. This is what base. This is the main cell. This is what nucleus. This is what collar. Avantika. Any problem?
No, sir.
Okay. This is what? Flagella. This is the structure of what? Coinocyte cell. Okay. So, what is the use of this flagella? It ensures the continued movement of
For
water
movement?
inside the continued movement of water. Okay, water current inside the spongocoel through ostia. Okay, water is entering inside the spongocoel through ostia or not? Tell me. So who is that water
Yes,
current
sir.
is forming because of whom? Because of movement of flagella of coinocyte cell. Okay, so coinocyte cell. Write down. It's flagellar movement or movement of flagella. Flagellar movement cause water current to flow inside spongocoel through what? Through ostia.
Ostia.
The movement of flagella cause the water current to flow inside the spongocoel through ostia.
Sir, the diagram is of coinocyte cell, sir.
This is of coinocyte cell. This
Okay, sir.
diagram, coinocyte cell. Okay, so here I am explaining that water. See here, this what flagella they will do the movement. So because of that, the water will enter inside the spongocoel. Clear? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now let's see some more. If the question will be asked in NEET, in what are the example of flagellar movement? So flagella is found in
Sponges. Sponges.
no. They will ask you in which organism flagella is there. So flagella is found in who are doing flagellar movement. You know,
Sponges, sir. Porifera.
human sperm. Human
Yes,
sperm's
sir.
tail. The tail of human sperm is
Flagellated.
what? It is the example of flagella. Second is what? Coinocyte. And third is what? Euglena and dinoflagellate. Both are protist.
Yes, sir.
Okay, these all are having flagella. These are the three main examples of the flagellar movement. So human sperm tail. From here the question can be asked. This whole thing has been given in NCERT. Can I move it up? Okay. One more example of coinocyte we will see. Okay. Coinocyte helps in intracellular digestion of food. Intracellular means what? Inside the cell. Since they are not having any digestive enzymes, so outside the cell, no digestion is taking place. Okay? In sponges, digestion takes place intracellular only. That is inside coinocyte. And one more I will say. Okay, intracellular digestion of food. Clear up to here? Understood
Yes,
about
sir.
coinocyte? Okay.
So 1 minute scroll up, see.
This one. Can I scroll down? Written or writing?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we will talk about amoebocyte cells. You know amoebocyte cells? Where it is
Yes,
found?
sir.
Where it is found?
Inside the near the mesenchyma.
No, inside the mesenchyma, not near the
Yes, sir.
mesenchyma. Okay. So amoeboid cells are of following types. First is what? Archaeocyte cell. Archaeocyte cell. So archaeocyte cell is having the two functions. What are the two functions? The first function is what? Regeneration. And second is what? Gamete formation. If you will cut the sponges into many pieces, then each piece which is having the archaeocyte cell, that will generate into new spongy. This is called as regeneration. It is the example of asexual reproduction only. No, in this also parent is not dying. You take one spongy, cut with knife into many pieces, small pieces. Each piece will become what? One spongy. So parent itself is dividing into many sponges. That is what regeneration. The power of regeneration in sponges was first discovered by the scientist H.V. Wilson. He was the scientist who first discovered the regeneration in sponges. Okay, gamete formation also, male and female sex gametes. Now next is uh, okay. Then next is trophocyte cell. Okay.
Sir, H.V. Wilson found first, like he was the first
No,
to
he
discover
discovered
regeneration.
regeneration properties there in sponges. Like that, he was first discovered.
Okay, sir.
Next is what? Trophocyte. Trophocyte helps in what? Intracellular digestion of food. So, write down one statement. In sponges, food digestion is always intracellular. Intracellular only. Intracellular digestion. Intracellular digestion takes place in basic medium or acidic medium? Basic medium. Okay, always intracellular only. In sponges, food digestion is always intracellular. That is first in coinocyte, next in trophocyte. Clear? So these two cells are helping in what? Intracellular digestion in what? Sponges. Okay, next is what? Thesocyte. 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 This is what? Food storing cell. Food storing cells. And food is stored in the form of glycogen. In all animals, food is stored in the form of what? Glycogen only. In plants, the food is stored in the form of starch.
Glucose. Oh, yes, sir.
Actually, after photosynthesis in plant, the first form product is what? Sucrose. Then sucrose converted into starch and stored in the body in the form of what? Starch. But if we talk about the animal, the food is converted first into what? Glucose. In our body, whatever the food we are eating, that is converted into glucose, and that glucose is stored in our body in the form of
Glycogen.
So glycogen is called animal starch. This point I already told in the class.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then leave it. Okay. uh, okay, the next is sclerocyte. What is its spicule formation? Spongin fiber formation. Sclerocyte. Chromocyte gives body color to sponges, gives different colors to sponges. gives different color to sponges. Return up to here. Amiibo side
No,
also.
sir.
Okay.
Completed, sir.
Completed. Okay. Super. Now next we are going to see is water canal system. Put the heading water canal.
Sir, in plants, the food is stored in the form of starch, sir,
Yes.
and is converted into sucrose.
No. First sucrose will form. The photosynthesis takes place. The product of photosynthesis is sucrose. Sucrose convert into starch and stored in the body of plant.
Okay, sir.
Like
And
this.
in animals, it is
Glucose. First glucose will form. After eating food, glucose will form. That glucose will convert into glycogen and stored in the muscles and liver of animal.
Okay, sir.
This is what water transport system, also called as water transport system. Okay, so it is the exclusive characteristic of sponges. Means in no other animal this system is formed. Exclusive character of whom?
Sponges.
Okay, no other animal is having this water canal system. So what is the water canal system? The interconnected network of tubes and pores. Okay, is called water canal system. Interconnected network of or system of. Okay. It's called water canal system. For example, here I am making a structure of sponges. Here I am making the structure of spongy. This is the spongy. Spongy is having many small holes in the body. These holes are called as what?
Ostia.
Ostia. Okay, ostia is what? Inlet. This one hole is called as what?
Osculum.
Osculum.
Inside spongocoel cavity is there. In the spongocoel cavity, there is a network of tubes are there.
Flagella.
No. Flagella is in coinocyte cell. Here I am
Yes, sir.
telling you.
Water canal system.
Yes, water canal system. So interconnected network. So all the tubes are connected to each other like this, in which water is flowing. So this is what water canal system, also called as water transport system. Understood? So water canal system is found in the spongocoel. Okay. Now what are the significance of water canal system that we will discuss, and after that I will complete this class. And next we will study in the next class. Oh sorry, scrolled up more. Water canal system helps in excretion of waste material, next is respiration, that is exchange of respiratory gas through diffusion, okay, and food transport. Okay, these are the three things. Okay, excretion of waste material, okay, removal of waste, food gathering, food transport, and food capture. Only these three things you have to remember for your NEET exam. Question will come from here. Not a single question will be from outside. Hey, we are having 10 minutes more now. Okay, no problem. I will try to complete it. This page is now get hanging. I have to change to another page. Okay. 1 hour. Actually, if we use the OneNote for long time, na, then that arrow is not coming like this. I have to change the page. Okay. Excretion of waste material, respiration. That means exchange of gases. Okay. By simple diffusion and food transport and food gathering. If water canal system is removed, or sorry, if coinocyte is removed from the body, then what will happen? Spongy will die. Okay. What is the lifespan of sponges?
Sir, they are asexual, then they should be immortal now, sir.
No, they are sexual also. I will explain.
Okay, sir.
1000 years to 2000 years. This is the lifespan of sponges. Now, next point, all are hermaphrodite. And one mean, all are filter feeders. What is the meaning of filter feeders? That whatever the food particles are there, they get filtered from the ostia and going into the spongocyte. Okay, that is filter feeders. Clear? Next.
Sir, the particles get filtered through what, sir?
No, means big particle remain outside and small particle going, because size of ostia is very small. So it acts like a filter.
Okay,
So
sir.
small size particle can cross it and go inside, but big size particle can't able to go inside.
Understood, sir.
All are hermaphrodite. PHRO, sorry. Means both sexes are present in the same individual. Okay? Both sexual and asexual reproduction present. So asexual reproduction, first by fragmentation. Fragmentation also called as what? Budding. Asexual. Okay, fragment means if you cut any organ of any part of the spongy, that will become because
Like,
of what? Archaeocyte cell. Archaeocyte cell is a kind of amoebocyte cell. Okay, as I already told you about that. Okay, asexual reproduction by fragmentation or budding. Okay, so two type of buds are there. External budding.
Internal, sir.
Yes, external budding takes place in what? Cycon. For example, if this is the cycon, from here one bud will come out, and that bud will separate from the cycon, and wherever this bud will form, there a new cycon will form. Clear or not? This is external budding.
yes, sir.
Internal budding. Internal budding, the internal bud is called as what? Gemule. Found only in the freshwater spongy. Okay? Takes place only in freshwater spongy. Takes place only in the freshwater spongy. Okay?
What is Cycon, sir?
Cycon is a member, name of one animal which is a member of phylum Polyphera. Okay, under phylum many animals are there. Okay. So takes place only in the freshwater spongy. Okay. Sponges. Okay. Example is what?
Spongilla.
Spongilla. Okay. So this internal bud is also called as what? Gemule. In class 12th NCERT, first chapter, this word will come. Reproduction in animal, gemule. Okay, gemule is formed is the internal segment, internal bud in the sponges or freshwater sponges. Okay, it is just looking like this. Okay, so these are what? Spongin fiber, spicule. Okay, and this is what? Mass of which cell?
Archaeocyte cell.
Archaeocyte cell. And gemule is what? Always it is what? Free swimming or free living. Free swimming we can write here. Clear or not? Free swimming.
Due to gemule only free swimming occurs, sir.
Yeah. Gemule is a free swimming form. Otherwise, no sponge is freely swimming. They all are sedentary or sessile. But this gemule is only free swimming. Clear or not?
Sir, gemule is the internal bud, sir.
Yeah, internal bud. It come out from the spongocyl and it swim. Okay, then wherever it will stop, there it will form what? Spongilla.
Then it will become sessile.
Yeah, Spongilla, Cycon, both are the member of phylum. Both are the animals.
Sponges.
Which belongs to,
Okay,
yes,
sir.
sponges or porifera. Clear up to here?
Yes, sir.
Should I scroll up?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I am changing this page. Actually, this page. Oh, okay, leave it. Now it's not possible. So, understood? Now, sexual reproduction by what? Gamete. Exchange of gametes. Okay.
Inside them itself, they will exchange the gametes, sir, because they have both. No, sir.
Yes, hermaphrodite. So two sponges will come and exchange their gametes with each other because they are hermaphrodite. In one spongy, both male and female sex organ is present. Okay. Exchange of gamete. Who is gamete forming cell? Archaeocyte is only the gamete forming cell.
Archaeocyte.
Fertilization is internal. Fertilization is what? Internal. That means inside the body. And development is what?
External.
Development is indirect. Development is what? Indirect. Why? Because they are having
Larva is not formed.
Larva is there. Okay, that's why. Okay, development is indirect. Okay, larva we will see. Amphiblastula larva. And parenchyma larva. Parenchyma larva. Amphiblastula, it is found in Cycon. Parenchyma larva found in Leucosolenia. It is the smallest spongy. Smallest spongy is what? Leucosolenia. Clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, so development is indirect, and these two are the main larvae: Amphiblastula, Parenchyma, Leucosolenia. So let's see some examples. Any classes there? Next.
9:45, sir. Next class.
Just
9:45 only, sir.
Okay. Just I will example I will tell and I will finish this class. Okay. First example is what? Cycon. Its biological name is what? Scypha. Okay. Second is Leucosolenia, smallest spongy. Both are what? Radially symmetrical. Biradial symmetrical, okay? Now third is what? Euplectella. Okay. Euplectella is also called as Venus flower basket. So Euplectella, its name is Venus flower basket. Its spicules are used as a wedding gift in Japan. Okay, having ornamental value. It is having ornamental value. Its spicules are used as wedding gift. In Japan. Japanese people marriage, they are giving this as a wedding gift. Now, next is what? Cliona. Cliona is bore spongy. It gives very high trouble to the pearl industry. It creates hole in the pearl. Okay. Destruction to or loss to what? Pearl industry.
Pearl.
Okay, because they are creating, that's why it is called bore spongy. And okay. Okay. Now next.
Sir, you said there is one bilateral example also.
Bilateral example. Bilateral, no, radial symmetry is there. Bilaterally symmetrical. Have I told like that?
Yes, sir. In starting of the
So
class.
have you written or not that point?
No, sir. You said there is one bilateral example also, but you didn't say the name, sir.
Biradial. Okay, I forgot right now. If I will remember, I will come back to you.
And sir, is Euplectella having any symmetry, sir?
Euplectella is not having any symmetry.
But our old sir said like there is any symmetry in Euplectella. He gave this example only, sir, for some example.
Oh, Euplectella actually, I confirmed from anywhere. It is not having that symmetry. I have confirmed
sir.
it. Only Leucosolenia and Sycon you will get the radial symmetry.
Okay, sir.
Bilateral also I think no one is having, but I will search it. So Hyalonema. Hyalonema is also called as what? Glass rope spongy. So it is also having what? Ornamental value. So its glass rope are what? Means its spicules are what? Transparent. Spicules are transparent and rope-like. Transparent and rope-like. Please switch off mute your phone. Disturbing the class. Okay. Clear to here? Hyalonema. Now,
yes, sir.
Euspongia. This is what? Bath spongy. And it is used for bathing. Okay. And one more thing. It is used as a sound absorber.
It is an animal, no, sir. How
Yeah,
it can be used for bathing?
After killing, we can use na. Means its outer that spicules we can rub skin. So whatever the dirt is there, that will come out.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Euspongia is also used as a sound absorbent in the wall of auditorium or theater. So that whenever if you sit in a theater, auditorium or cinema, the sound should not, if the sound will reflect, you can't able to hear properly what is going on. So that's why their wall is made up of what? Sound absorbent material, which can absorb the excess of sound. So because of that, sound reflection is not taking place.
Yes, sir. It is also used in some of the rooms so that voice should not go out of the room or something.
Auditorium or okay, use spongia. Then spongilla. I think you know it is what? Fresh water.
Fresh water sponge.
Spongy. Okay, so I think this all are the example enough. And for the NEET exam, you have to remember about 1 minute. You have to Psychon is very important.
Use sponge.
Yes, use Psychon is important. Then spongilla and use spongy. Yes, these three are very important for the NEET. It's not going down. Use spongia and spongilla. It's not coming. Okay, leave it. These two. Okay. So sponges phylum Porifera is completed here. Okay. Kärmän ink particle experiment. Okay. What is the Kärmän ink particle experiment done by one scientist? I don't know the name of that scientist. Okay. Suppose this is what? Spongy. Okay, this is what? Spongy. Now, if you keep these are what? Ostia. If you bring any Kärmän ink particle, this is what? Ink particle, suppose.
What is Kärmän, sir?
Kärmän ink. It is a kind of ink. Okay.
Okay, sir.
This particle, if you will bring here near to what? Ostia, then this particle will go inside. If you keep this particle here, then what will happen? It will be expelled out. It will be pushed out. If you keep it near the osculum, okay, it will be pushed like that. This is the Kärmän ink particle experiment. Okay. About Euplectella I have searched. It is not at all symmetry. Then also more I will search on it. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Thank you. Class is over.